Hello future art cream! So for today's video, let's rationalize this question. So ito po yung tanong. A period which officers is excused from active by any valid acceptable reason approved by the higher authority. Ibig sabihin, ito daw po yung period na kung saan yung isang officers is excused po siya kasi meron po siyang valid reason which is acceptable po yon dun sa kanyang higher authority. So, ang choices po, sick leave, leave of absence, duty manual, and order. So, ang sagot po natin dito is leave of absence. Kapag sinabi po kasi nating sick leave, ibig sabihin, ito po yung period na kung saan yung isang police officer is pwede po siyang maging excuse doon po sa kanyang active performance of duty kapag po siya ay injured o kaya naman is meron po siyang sakit. Pag sinabi naman po nating duty manual, ibig sabihin, it describes the procedure and the duty ng isang police officer na kung saan siya po ay naka-assign sa isang specified post o kaya naman sa isang position. When we say order naman, ibig sabihin ito po ay isang instruction na ibinibigay po ng higher rank officer. So again, when we say leave of absence, so ito ay yung period na kung saan excuse yung isang police officer kasi valid yung kanyang reason and acceptable po yun ng isang higher authorities. So when we say sick leave naman, excuse daw po ang isang police officer sa kanyang active duty kapag daw po siya ay may illness, sakit, o kaya naman siya po ay injured. When we say duty manual, ito po yung nakalagay dito yung procedures and the duties of the police officers wherein yung kanilang assigned specifically dun sa kanilang specified post o kaya naman yung kanilang position. And lastly, when we say order, ibig sabihin instruction na ibinibigay po ng isang rank officer sa kanyang subordinate. So, ayun lamang po, future art creams. Future art creams, kapag naghahanap ka pala ng criminology reviewer, meron po kaming available sa Orange app. Meron po kaming criminology all areas and criminology quizzers. So, yung link po, ilalagay ko na lamang po doon sa comment section. Salamat po!